Welcome to Life at Hacks. In this video, I will talk about how to extend the battery life of your Android phone. Have you ever noticed that your Android battery is draining faster than it should? What if I told you that there's a hidden method which is unknown to most Android users that can instantly give your battery life a significant boost? I am going to reveal the secret to longer battery life for Android today. So stay tuned. It goes beyond just turning on the battery saver. You are streaming, navigating, texting. Then boom, 7% battery out of nowhere. Sound familiar? The real battery killers are hidden deep inside your phone settings, silently draining power all day long. Here's the secret. Android has a built-in tool that shows exactly which apps are running in the background, even when you are not using them. It's called Running Services under Developer Options. If you have never used it before, follow me step by step. Go to Settings, tap About Phone, tap Software Information, find Build Number. Tap Build number 7 times. Developer option will now unlock. Go to Developer Options. Look for Running Services. Tap Running Services. You can see all background apps draining RAM and battery. Tap on any app you don't want running 24/7 and hit Stop. Do this especially for social media, maps or shopping apps that refresh constantly. Next one. Put unused app to sleep or deep sleep mode. This prevents them from waking up in the background unless you open them. Perfect for apps like Facebook, TikTok or Uber. This is how you can do it. Go to Settings. Tap Battery, tap Background Usage Limits, turn on Put Unused App to Sleep. Then add Unused App to Deep Sleep if you want any app to go for deep sleep. Next one, turn on Adaptive Battery. Adaptive Battery is an AI-powered tool, learns your habits and limit battery use for apps you rarely use. This is how you can turn it on. Go to Settings, tap Battery, tap Battery Protection, turn it on. Now select Adaptive. After applying these settings on my Samsung S23 Ultra, I gain an extra 2 to 3 hours of screen time. This makes a huge difference instead of finding a charger every 3 hours. If you found this video to be helpful in reviving your battery, give it a thumb up and share it with someone who is always plugged in. Do you know any secret ways to save battery? Leave it in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe. There will be more Android power tips coming every week.